Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market trade recap for May 4, 2020. As you can see that the left side is the Jacob SPY and the right side is the Jacob Ebony SP 500 future. As you can see that today what shaped the market. So the market is pulled back down to 30-day moving average. They hold up there and then they were able to bounce back up. So right now the market is trying to figure out the way that either they want to go higher or they will put it back up and then they roll over again. So right now it ran about the whole day. The market is moving sideways until the last minute, and then they're able to break up and go higher. So right now you see the market is stuck between two moving average here. So by tomorrow we will see clearly if the market be able to break out in this level, they will continue to go a little bit higher here to tap the gap up here. If they don't, they continue to go lower. If they gap down, we will continue to see a downside. So it's the same thing like even the SP 500 future. At this moment, they do try to put it back up. So for the day trader, if you look at a short term today, if you were our member in our live trading room, you can see that the market has come down on Thursday and Friday after they stabilize. So we already draw the blue box here. So where the market we're heading there. So when they head in here, they stabilize, and then in the morning after the sideways choppy formation, and then they'll be able to break out and go up. And we already draw the target price for the day trader. They get hit here and tap the mark right now. So that's what we're doing every day in our live trading room, so that we can guide our members to see where market heading to every single day. So if you look at the smaller time frame, you can see that when the market opened at 6:30, the market would go up, tap the resistance on the left side, couldn't do it. They pull back down. After they pull back down, they hold at the support, and then they bounce from that level, they shoot back up, and then they go sideways the whole time, and they couldn't pass the resistance line here because the downtrend line here to hold them up pretty well until 12 o'clock. The market be able to break out, and then they continue to push it back up. They break out with strong momentum. They put right to the upside and hit the sell zone. So this is where I again set the trade and then take a quick shot and make some money. It's done for the day. So the total net profit for today is $1,125 for the quick trade here to finish the day. But the whole day the market goes sideways, very choppy. It's hard to trade. So this is the market update for you on the SP 500. And if you have been follow us on the oil, you can see that the oil will have pinpoint the low, okay, the rise on up here and with the time frame. After the pull back down, they go back up, they pull back down this morning. And then we, in our live trading room, we already point out where the market breakout. They come here, they hit it, they hit the pull box again. So that's how we trade every day. So every dollar move in the oil contract is $1,000. You can see that you go here, you'll be able to capture the breakout, and boom, you can make a couple bucks, a couple points there. Very easy for the oil trading. So the overall market is still go sideways. They try to figure out where they're heading to. Either they want to go higher or they will continue to go lower. At this moment, definitely the market already break down the upper support trend line. So definitely if we're looking for something that the market try to pull back up, and when they still have a little bit more room here, so when they get up here, we want to see it either they will break out and go higher and tap the 200-day moving average, or they will roll over and then go further south. So that's why we're here every day. We try to update information for you so that you know where the market heading to. So overall, it's the financial market. They be able to lift up the last minute. Let's see where they are heading to. For the big, it's surprising this morning they shoot it back up, and after that they turn around, they go bearish. So as long as the big is coming down, the market is still have a chance to go back up. So that's all we have for you today. Hopefully that you enjoyed it, and then we will update every day to let you know. So if you like what I'm doing for you every day, please give me a thumb up and sign up to our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will post it and let you know so that you know where the market heading to on every day. And if you want to learn more how to analyze the chart, how to look, or how to read the chart and understand the chart by using a modern technical analysis, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.